Hello, welcome to my house and welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda and today I'm going to show you how you can make this blouse. As you could see, this blouse is made with grannies, so I make these grannies a little bit bigger, right? And I use 8 squares like this one and I place them like diamonds. So it's very easy to follow, it's very easy to make. I saw this idea in a fashion store for a very famous brand, so I didn't want to lose the opportunity to make it for you and show you that you can make it too. So you can make it like you want with different colors and with the easiest technique, and the best part, you can use the material that you have left. Well, let's start. Don't forget to subscribe. Well, to make this top we are going to need 5 different colors in this light material number 3, okay? As a base I will use the black to join all the squares, okay? But you will decide. The best part is that you will use all the material that you have left from previous videos, and we will use the hook of number 3.5. Well, let's start. This is for a small medium size, okay? Well, this is the granny that we are going to make, okay? First, we are going to start with a flower inside, and then we will continue with the same stitch that we used to make a granny square. Well, as I told you, you are going to make your own combination. You are going to use the material that you have left from previous videos, and you will decide how you want to combine, okay? In this occasion I mix the colors. Once I started with the yellow, once I started with white, and once I started with green. So you will decide, and I will repeat this combination twice. So like this I will have 8 squares at the end. So well, with one thread and with the color you chose, we are going to start making 4 chains. Then we will close in circle. Yes, well, we are going to slip 1 to close, okay? We will make 1 chain. Then we are going to make 12 single crochet inside, okay? We are going to try to hide this thread while we make this single crochet. After the chain that we made at the beginning, we are going to start counting 12. At the end of the 12th single crochet, we are going to slip 1 to close, like this. Okay, so far we have this, right? Now we will go up with 2 chains, and now in the next stitch inside we are going to make 3 double crochet, all of them in the same space. So here we have 2 and 3. Then 2 chains, 1, 2, and in the next stitch we slip 1. So here we have the first petal, okay? Like this one we are going to make 5. So again, 1, 2 chains in the next space. Inside we are going to make 3 double crochet. At the end of these 3 double crochet we are going to make 2 chains, and then we are going to slip 1. So as you see, we slip 1 here, and then the 3 double crochets are in other stitch, right? So in the next stitch we slip 1, like this, until we have 6 petals. Well, at the end of the 6 petals we are going to finish with 2 chains, and then we are going to slip 1. So you see we have 2, 4, and 6 petals. Then we will go up with 5 chains, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, 5 chains, and here on the top of the next petal, single crochet. Then 3 chains, and then here at the end of the first petal, right in between, we are going to make a double crochet. Then 3 chains and single crochet in the top of the petal. Then 2 chains and the double crochet, and like this the whole row. And look how it looks. Inside and between petals the double crochet, and in the top of the petal the single crochet. So at the end we will finish with 3 chains, and then we will slip 1 here in the next double crochet. You see, so here we have the arches that we were making. Well, then we are going to slip one. Right there we will start. We will go up with 3 chains. Then inside we are going to make double crochet, and we must have 3. We will count the first chains that we made, so it will count as 1. Then 2 chains, and again inside in the same space 3 double crochet again. So here we have 2 segments, right, of 3 double crochet each. This will be the corner of our granny, as you could see. Then, without making any chain right away, we will go with the next segment, and then inside this arch we are going to make 3 double crochet. Then right away we will go to the next one without making any chain between, you see. And again inside we are going to make 3 double crochet, and then we will go to the other arch. So we are going to make 3 double crochet, then 2 chains, and then in the same space 3 double crochet. So this will be again the second corner, okay? Well, so making a review, we will have double, then single, single, and double, and we will repeat the same in all the sides, okay? Like this we are going to continue the whole row, and this will be the first row with the granny stitch. At the end of this row we are going to cut, and we will change color. Well, at the end we will have something like this. At the end of the last segment we are going to slip one to close, and then we will cut. Remember, a little bit long thread, so we are going to make a knot with the new color. In this case the combination that I will follow is that I will use a green color next to it. So later you can hide it with an embroidery needle, or while we make the next row we can hide it, okay? We can crochet over this loose thread. So here we are going to take this green color, and right in the corner we will start. Like here we are going to start in the corner, we are going to make the corner, right? So we will go up with 3 chains, and here we are going to make 2 segments together with the change between them, okay? So here is the second segment that forms the corner. So again 3 double crochet, so here we have 2 and 3. As you could see, while I'm making this, I'm taking the loose thread and I'm making the stitch over it. Count 3 double crochet, and then after that we are going to insert the hook and again make the next segment. So right in the same space 3 double crochet. So again skip 3 double crochet, insert the hook, and in the same space make the next 3 double crochet. And like this we are going to continue. So when we arrive to the corner we are going to make 2 segments in the same space with 2 change between. Like this, with this color we are going to continue all around following the same instructions, okay? In the corner, remember, we are going to make it double, and then we will continue making in each space after the 3 double crochet a segment of 3 double crochet in each space. Well, and with this color you are going to make 1 row more. As you could see, with each color I'm making 2 rows, and I'm following the same instructions. With the green I'm going to raise corner, I'm going to make it double, and in the next size I'm going to make it single. So like this I made more. With the same combination I made 2 squares each. So I made 2 with this combination, 2 with this other combination, 2, 2, and 2. Okay, so at the end I will have 8 squares, right? So I will give you homework. So see you when you have all your squares ready following the same instruction. Well, so I will make this accommodation, okay? I will place this in one side, the other combination in the other side, and like this I will alternate, and I will try to fix how it looks better, okay? And I will repeat the same for the back too. I will use this black thread to join all the squares, I will show you, okay? Well, and if you want to make this blouse for a larger size, sorry, you are going to make the squares bigger, okay? You are going to add more rows to each square, so like this is how you are going to increase for each side. We will start right here in the corner, and inside the corner first we are going to make half double crochet, 3 half double crochet inside the corner, and then between each stitch we are going to make 1. So here 1, then 1, and when we arrive to the corner we are going to repeat like this all around this first square. So look, this is how it looks, the end of the row of half double crochet. Now I'm going to join with the second square, but while I make this stitch I will join them. Well, without cutting the thread right away, we will take the corner of the next square. Please take into account that this square is facing to the same side, okay, that all of the squares that you are joining are facing to the right side, okay? So we are going to repeat, and we are going to take 1 stitch from one side and slip 1, and then again we are going to continue making in each segment 1 half double crochet, and then when we arrive to the end of the section of 3 double crochet we are going to slip 1 in the first square, and then we will continue making half double crochet in each stitch, and then when we are about to arrive to the end of the segment of the 3 double crochet we are going to slip 1. So like this is how we are going to join the sides. But look, once you finish to join this side, then you are going to continue all around, okay? So this side and then the other side, because remember that we are joining the squares like this, like diamond. So it will be easier if you place all your squares to see how you are going to join them, and according to that you will know which side you need to crochet and which side you need to crochet while you join, okay? So like this we are going to join, and this will be the front. So see you when we finish to join the back. Well, so this is how the front looks, okay? And if it was difficult for you or you don't like how it looks, well, you can sew them. And also here on YouTube I have a video where I show you different types of how you can join the granny's square, and you can choose the best. But to me this is easy, but well, you will decide. Well, this will be the back, okay? I already placed them. How will they look? And well, all of these squares are facing inside to the wrong side, okay? So when we join them, the right side will face outside, right? So please take that into account. So this will be the front, and then the sides under the armhole will be folded, not like this, okay? Like this in triangle, and we will repeat the same in the other side too. Well, I did get ahead and I joined as I show you, okay? So this will be the back and this will be the front, and this diamond of the center will be for the bottom, and these 2 diamonds will be for the top. So from here in one corner we will start and we will make the straps. So we are going to make a long strip of chains that will cover like part of your front, then the shoulders, and then part of your back. So that goes from here to here, right? Or you can make 2 strips, one here and one in the other side, and then in the top you can make a knot and you can adjust. But well, in this occasion I will make the strap complete, okay? And I will use a long strip. I will use it at the beginning, and then I will crochet them together. So while I make the chains, the strip of chains, I will hide the thread that I use at the beginning. Look, I made 40 chains, and I think that the hole of the armhole is too low, so I think that instead of making 40 chains, I will reduce 10 and I will make 30. Okay, so well, here I just want you to focus in how its form, how I join and how it looks. This is the back and this is the front, and so far it's looking so great, right? So I will fix the straps and see you there. Well, so I made 30 chains, okay, but it will depend on you. You will decide if you want to put less or make more, okay? It will depend of how tall you are, or maybe you will decide to make these two strips of chains separate to make a knot. To adjust, you will decide, okay? But if you make in case you make the strips, two pieces of strips or a strip, you will make a cord like this. You are going to slip one in each stitch to make this cord and to make this strap like round, so it will look like this. So like this we are going to repeat the other strap too. Well, look, here I finished to make the blouse. So beautiful. This is one side, so it will look like this. So now what it's missing, it's that I'm going to iron with plenty of steam and with a protection under, and it will be ready to wear. Let's see how it looks. Well, I hope that you have enjoyed making this blouse with me. Thank you so much for watching till the end of the video. I really appreciate your time, that you watch my videos and that you want to learn with me. Thank you so much for that. Please don't forget to subscribe, and please, if you make this blouse, show me, take a picture and tag me. Thank you so much. See you in the coming video. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a like. Don't forget to share it if you want. And remember that you can make a lot of combinations and use all the material that you have left from previous videos. But well, thank you. Bye.